By default Excel, the chart that we have made, it has embedded it in our spreadsheet. That is, it is something like a sheet that we have, or it is floating above our data. We can position it as we like, and when we come to print it out, logically we will have to adjust it so that both the data and the chart are legible. But it could be that I want to do something different. For example, move and for the chart not to be embedded in the current spreadsheet, but move the chart and put it exactly, and for a new spreadsheet to be generated. That is, to select here, and when I say accept, the chart, instead of being inside or embedded within my spreadsheet, it generates for me, just before the spreadsheet I was working in, a new sheet that is not a spreadsheet, it is a special sheet. It is a chart sheet in which, say, it takes up the whole of the work area. So when I select this sheet, logically, I will already have the graph tools open. And when I send it to print, it will take up the whole of the screen, and in the preview we will see that it occupies an entire sheet, and we will have a number of tools solely designed for printing out charts.